Hello and welcome to Car Garage. Today we'll be talking about our luxury car of the month, the Porsche Taycan. This ordinary looking family sedan is not an ordinary family sedan, and let us tell you how.
The Porsche Taycan is unlike any other Porsche that you've seen on the road. This massive four-door sedan with a horsepower figure that puts sports car to shame. The car was launched in India on the 12th of November and costs 1.5 crore ex-showroom.
This is an all electric car, rivaling the Tesla Model S. And depending upon the version, the Taycan has two battery pack options, a 79.2 kWh and a 93.4 kWh. Porsche claims a range of over 400 kilometers. And for all electric vehicle types, this is actually a lot. The Porsche Taycan is also available with a single and twin motor options. The Porsche Taycan is a feature-rich car. It gets a 10.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system in the center console, as well as a completely digital driver's information display, along with a third vertically stacked display for climate control. It gets dual-zone climate control, 18-way power-adjustable sport seats that keep you well gripped throughout your ride, a 710-watt 14-speaker Bose sound system, and a motorized tailgate. These are among some of the top features of the car. With the Taycan, we can guarantee that this car will give you all the features you need and won't leave you wanting for something more.
There will always be comparisons to the Tesla Model S, especially given the Porsche's anticipated range, but the new Taycan is undeniably the more exhilarating option. And given the fact that Tesla isn't available in India, the Taycan reaps the benefit of it by getting no competition.
The Taycan offers all the safety features that you might need. Forward collision warning, an automated emergency braking system, as well as lane departure warning and lane keep assist. They are standard on every Taycan. Porsche offers almost all the modern technologies that you might need, although at a higher cost.
A tech-heavy environment is inside the sleek-looking Taycan. The design appears to be straightforward and similar to that of previous Porsche models. The interiors come decorated with a variety of rich materials and color schemes
That are customizable according to your taste. With the smaller battery capacity, the 4S variant produces 522 horsepower. And with the larger battery, it goes up to 562 horses. The top variants, the 670 horsepower turbo and the 750 horsepower turbo S, come with a larger battery as standard. The base model, although gets enough power, but is only available in a rear wheel drive configuration. The Porsche Taycan is a mighty powerful four-seater, and at almost 5 meters in length, it isn't a small car for the Indian roads by any means. But what it offers is a package like no other car in India for sure.
If you liked the video, please press the like button, share the video and subscribe to the channel.
And stay tuned for more luxury car videos every month.